Let's step into the Merlot Grand here at Vida's Way in Wesley Chapel, Florida. So what you'll notice when you first step into the house is it's very spacious. You've got this beautiful, beautiful open area in the foyer, and just to your left and kind of around the corner, you have the first bedroom and closet. And then coming around from here, you have the bathroom with very tall, spacious cabinets and a beautiful deep tub. And the tile is really pretty tile. I don't know exactly what that tile color would be, but it's just a beautiful, beautiful tile. Now, we come back through here, and just past we have a little coat closet. So now we're going to go upstairs. And so as we head upstairs, so we get to the top of the stairs, and you have this loft area that is very roomy, and try to get a better picture of it. Very roomy loft area. And then just past the loft area, you have another bathroom with the same type of tile and tub setup. By the way, my name is Vince Reyna. I'm a local real estate agent here in Central Florida. If you want to see this home or have any questions about it, feel free to let me know. All my information is in the description below. Now let's move on. All right, to the right, you have another bedroom. A little bit roomier. And with a bit more closet space. Now, as you come out of this bedroom, you go back towards the loft, and then straight ahead, and you have very large area here with your air handler. And I'm assuming that's just an access panel and some storage room. And then you have your upstairs flex space, which probably could be turned into another bedroom. All right, let's head back downstairs. Now, as we get to the bottom of the stairs, you have another bit of flex space. This is, I believe, going to be more of like an office or a den. And then you have the dining room with a little bit more understair space. Not a huge bit, but a little bit more understair space. Good for storing those decorations from Christmas. And then just past the dining room and to the left, you have another bedroom with this really nice wood trim and recessed ceiling and a view of the retention pond. And double vanities, tall cabinets with plenty of storage. water closet, and then a very, very spacious walk-in closet. And I take that back. I did not realize we were in the master. So this is the master bedroom. Master ensuite, really. Yeah, the guys are working. I couldn't stop them. And you've got the living room, which is very, very large. Plenty of room. And again, those wood beam accents along with the recessed ceiling really make it stand out. And to the right, we have this little area here before you get into the laundry room. And you've got the laundry room here with a nice sink and beautiful cabinets. And then just to the right of that, you have another smaller bedroom. And this one has its own bathroom with a shower. Now let's take a look at the kitchen. Oh, before we do that, there's the other part of the air handler. So that's your lower level air handler. All right, let's take a look at the kitchen and the dining, the eat-in portion of the kitchen. So you have your eat-in section here, and then you have a very large pantry, like a really huge pantry. So you can store a lot of stuff here, and these drawers make it easy to put little packages of, stuff that, maybe you only use every once in a while, like those taco seasonings for Taco Tuesday. Lots of cabinet room and a double oven. And like I've said on pretty much every video with a double oven, if you've ever had company over for Thanksgiving, having a double oven is a lifesaver. One of my favorite things is right here. I love a gas grill, or a gas range, I should say. And all of these are Whirlpool appliances, stainless steel Whirlpool appliances, and undermount sink with really nice fixtures. Everything here is just so well put together. So let me give you a little bit better look of what this whole area looks like. And so there is the eat-in portion of the kitchen with this little bamboo fixture and the rest of the kitchen there, along with the island, which has room for maybe 2 or 3 people. And don't mind the guys because they're working, but you've got your pool area here, your pool deck with covered lanai, and it's all screened in. When they get done with this, it's going to be absolutely beautiful. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, share, all of that good stuff. If you're looking at wanting to do something in the area, all my information is down below. I'm a local real estate agent here in Central Florida. I can definitely help you. I can answer any questions. I've lived here my whole life. And so if there's anything you need, let me know. If you want to talk to me directly, my number is there. But if you want to schedule something with me, the easiest thing to do is just go to talkwithvince.com, fill out the form, and then I'll get a hold of you. Anyways, hope you guys like the video. Hope to see you next time. And